Okay, Orlando says, what if exam come out this question? Answer is very simple. Whatever they come out, we will draw. So we will draw the two graphs. We will draw the two graphs on the graph paper. Orlando, the first equation is y equals to x plus 4. So can you highlight the equation? Oh, sorry, thank you. X minus 4. So this is the first equation. And how do we do? Can you write down in case you forget? Choose your number. Can you put negative 100? Can, but you probably will kill yourself. So every time I like to choose 3 numbers, and the number usually is simple. Can I zoom in? Who forget how to put in the first value? All remember. Very good. Hadi, how do I put in the first value? This one is 10, 20 or 30. How do I know? What must I do, Hadi? Put back into equation. So put back into equation means what? This is what? Minus negative 1 minus 4. So this is like minus 1 minus 4. And what's the answer? Negative 5. Orlando, what is the second one? Put the number. Don't wait for me. Move on faster, Sean. You are very fast. You're on the second equation now. Orlando, what is the second one? Everyone, don't wait. I'm very slow. Don't wait. Move on to the second equation. Don't move. Orlando, look. 0, cut, and paste inside the x. X equals to 0. 0, paste inside the x. So y equals to 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. So what is it equal to? Use your calculator, Lane. What is it equal to? Oh no. What is it equal to? Oh, good. Negative 4. Do you get negative 4? Orlando again. What's the third one? 1 put inside the x. No lah. Don't like to use calculator. So okay. Now next, what do you do, Justin? I want to draw this on the graph. So I transfer. Can you draw the first one? This box means what? Negative 1, comma, negative 5. Can you plot this on the graph? Where is negative 1? Negative 5. Can you plot now? There is. Okay. Can everyone just help me? Just draw like that. Agak-agak like outside the graph paper. I think they want to save paper. So it's here. Second point. Orlando, 0, negative 4. Can you plot on the table now? The graph now? Hafiza done? No. 0, negative 4. Can you plot now? Nisa, done? 0, negative 4, done. Or waiting. Finish already. Now, Nisa, is it here? Okay, good. Third one, 1, comma, negative 3. Irvin, 1, comma, negative 3. Is it here? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Can you use your ruler? Join the 3 lines. Don't do what I do. My example is wrong. But right is a very nice line. Let me try. Okay now. Can everyone do the second graph now? I pause the video. Now I have made a mistake. Can everyone highlight? It must be between 0 to 2. So what is my mistake? My mistake is I use negative 1. That is why Ashraf noticed that the negative 5 is outside the graph paper because I used a wrong point. They say use 0 to 2. I act smart. I use -1. Cannot. So over here, what must I use? 0, comma. Don't liquid paper. Don't liquid paper one. No need. If somehow, no need. Listen. If somehow you already write -1, 0, 1. What you need to do? Just write a 2 there. No need liquid paper. No need. Just write a 2 beside it. But later on, don't use the -1. Use 0, 1, and 2. Can follow? No need liquid paper. No need. Nothing wrong with the graph. Just that you notice the negative 5 is outside. Okay? Now, over here, what is the value when x equals to 0? Benjamin? Still doing or done? Still doing. Xing'en, what is the value when x equals to 0? What is the value of y? Haven't finished. Jolie, when x equals to 0, what is the value of y? Here. Jess? 2. Jess got 2. Anyone got different answer? Or who don't know how to do? Then maybe I want to explain. Give me a chance to explain. First one got 4. Can I do the first one with you, Jolie? Y equals to what? -2 bracket 0 plus 2. Jolie, do you know why I get -2 bracket 0 plus 2? Oh, first one, I'm sorry. First one I don't do anymore. Why? Because I act smart, right? The question why from 0 to 2. They don't want -1. Then 0 to 2. X must be between 0 to 2. So don't want negative. 明白吗？明白。Because if you put -1, somehow the number out of the graph paper again. Anyone need me to explain? Hafiza got 0 and 2? Good. Hafiza, what's the next one? When x equals to 1, what's the y value? 3. Hafiza, complete. When x equals to 2? 5. Ifa, is it correct? Ifa, is it correct? Oh, I get 3. Okay, I try. Hafiza. This one means y equals to -2 bracket 1 plus 2. Press your calculator. -2 times 1 plus 2. Answer is not 3. Answer is 0. How about the 2? Is 2 correct? 2 is wrong also. 2 is wrong, right? 2 cannot be correct. What? Nabila, y equals to -2 bracket 2 plus 2. -4 plus 2. -2 what? Right, so this is -2. Press your calculator, don't use your mental sum. Is -2 correct? Okay, -2 use the calculator, don't use mental sum, press your calculator. Okay, Little White Riding Hood. You okay? Only Riding Hood do this, right? Now look at the graph now. I want to plot the 3 points. Let me use the red color. 0 and 2 here. Next one, 1 and 0 here. Next one, 2 and -2 here. Can you use the ruler? Join the 3 points. X lah, what Y? Can you tell me what point is this? Can you tell me what point is this? 2, -2. Do you realize that this on Desmos is only 10 seconds? On graph paper is like 10 minutes. So technology is changing. We use technology to help us. No need to draw already. But for basic, you need to know how to draw. Otherwise, if the app bluff you, you also don't know. Understand now? Now, can you tell me the gradient of the line? What is happening, Asha? What is happening, Asha? Hey, suddenly, what is going on? Do you know what is the gradient, Jolie? Do you know what is the gradient of y equals to x minus 4? Your job is to compare the number of in front of x with this. What's the number in front? Do you see it's 1? Justin, do you see it's 1? So what's the gradient? Number 1. Do you follow? Can I repeat? Me don't understand. Can I repeat? All look on the board. Can you stop the thing? I will take away from you. Okay, can everyone look at this? The winner will take this prize inside. Now can you look at this? Y equals to mx plus c. Now I teach you to find gradient or not necessary. I got to plot 2 points and do y because that one very time wasting. Agree or not? So you just have to compare. This is y. This is y. Mx. This is x. That means m is the number in front of x. If I understand. So Orlando, what is the number in front of x? Answer wrong. This is mine. You don't have a lot of good friends around you. Now, it is not 7, Orlando. What is the number in front of x? No number, right? No number means 1. No number means 1. So this is 1. Therefore, since this is 1, we say that the gradient m is equal to 1. Can you follow? Orlando, can you help me? This is plus c. What is the c value here? No lah, where got 4? Negative 4. Can you follow? Now, can you look at the green line? Can you look at the blue line? Do you notice that the y-intercept intersect? Can you look at the y-intercept? It equals to what? Do you see negative 4? See or not? So now I tell you like that can compare and do what? Don't need draw one. Yes. Okay. Now look at the gradient now. Can you write down y equal mx plus c? Atlee, what is m? Negative 2. So the gradient is negative 2 like that. No need calculation one. Understand? That's okay or not? Okay. Okay. Now look at the answer the question. Are the gradient the same? No. Cancel yes. Okay Now what is the y-intercept? The first one is negative 4. The second one is 2. Is it the same? No. Cancel. Oh, okay. Kelly, ask me a question. Can you write down? There is one intersection. And what is the solution? What is intersection? Can you write down? Intersection means the meeting point of the two lines. Can you also write down? Solution means the value of x in the meeting point? Can you tell me the answer? What is the value of x in the meeting point? Where's the meeting point? Can I bring your attention to this point here? This point here. This is actually called the intersection. Is this okay? Is this okay? This point here is actually called the intersection. So what is the x value in the meeting point? 2. So can you write down x equals 2? Do you know in exam this is how many marks? 1 each. Gradient is 1. Gradient is 1. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks, 7 marks, 8 marks. 8 mark question. Of course, question won't ask like that. But I'm telling you, if they ask, this is 1 mark each. Okay? 8 mark is 2 grades. Meaning, if you are B4, you jump to A2. Answering yes, no, yes, no. Okay? Can? Okay. Homework for today is this. I said no homework in the previous one. I already saved you 1 graph paper. Can you complete this homework? When do I see you next? Wednesday, 30th of Jan. Can I save you 1 trouble? Oh, so many graph paper. Hey, no choice. Hey, I have to move faster than that. Can you complete these 2? Can you complete page 3 and 4? Can you complete page 3 and 4? So I write down page 3, page 4, due on 30th Jan. Do it, otherwise you don't see what I'm going to tell you. Understand? Do it so that when I tell you, you all understand. Otherwise, if you copy, you don't understand what you're copying. Alright, class 10?